Hey, investors, thanks for tuning in to the podcast today. Here are a few stories about what's making headlines in the River City when it comes to real estate for this week. The San Antonio real estate market is making some big waves in the media. First off, San Antonio is ranking high on the list of markets for first-time homebuyers. A fresh report from the American Enterprise Institute dropped yesterday, putting San Antonio at number 5 overall in the U.S. for newbies getting into the game. Why? Super affordable ratios, like 3.2 times the median income, covers a starter home here, way better than Austin's crazy 5 point something. Plus, those bigger entry level spots averaging over 2,000 square feet. I mean, families aren't cramming in. It's drawing folks from pricier spots like California. And with inventory up, it's a sweet spot for investors eyeing long-term rentals in growing neighborhoods. Second, you'll want to hear the story about a Nigerian immigrant who ditched a solid finance gig at 2021 to launch Ion Homes and Resorts right here in San Antonio. Now, Idowu Omole Toka breaking ground on 811 Park Lofts, an 18-unit boutique gem at 811 to 815 Park Avenue, smack across the river from the Pearl. It's got that upscale vibe with modern finishes, river views, and walkability to all the foodie action, costing about 6.5 mil. It's her first big multifamily play after some single family flips total boss move, showing immigrant hustle in real estate investing. Third, the sales jump weight. The latest SABOR report from mid-November says October actually saw a dip to 2,639 closed sales, down 11% from last year. But here's the twist making it interesting for investors. Prices ticked up 2% to a median of $330K, with active listings ballooning to over 17,000, nearly 6 months of inventory. That balance means flippers can snag deals without a frenzy, and landlords have breathing room to negotiate on multi-units before things tighten up again. Fourth, Peter Mainguy's hire. Yesterday, Partners Real Estate big player in Texas commercial snagged him as executive managing director for services across the state, based out of Houston, but eyeing SA growth hard. Dude's a vet from CBRE, where he ran market ops and closed massive deals in brokerage and management. Now he's ramping up their property management, valuations, and project teams here, which could mean more streamlined flips and leases for investors. It's a signal SA's commercial scene-like office to resi conversions is about to accelerate with fresh capital flowing in. Fifth, the competitive yet dipping market. Redfin's November update confirms that 2.6% dropped to 258K median last month, with homes lingering 74 days on average, shifting from seller's turf to a true buyer's playground. For investors, it's gold, high supply, and affordable pockets. Like the South Side lets you lowball on foreclosures or fixer-uppers for quick Airbnb turns, especially with rates hovering and out-of-towners still trickling in for military bases. But watch for spring, could flip fast if inventory shrinks, and that's going to wrap it up for this real estate news update. Thanks for listening to the How to Invest in San Antonio Real Estate podcast. Make sure to subscribe and leave us a 5-star review to stay on top of the latest news, interviews, and strategies to help you cash in on the San Antonio